We have realized that all our counties, the budgets for health is between 35 and 40%. And our idea is that we have a heavy burden of the lifestyle diseases, the cancers, the diabetes, high blood pressure, and all these are related with the foods that we are consuming. So it is upon us as government to invest in agriculture in terms of indigenous foods, organic farming, and resetting our food systems so that we are able to bring down the burden of these diseases. We're just looking at, in this farm, we have seen they're able to make, instead of the organic, the pesticides, the inorganic ones, they are able to make organic pesticides that are not harmful to our health. The problem we have is that when you go to the market, you're not sure where the foods are coming from. And as CEREB, we have started a discussion and a conversation on something we call food traceability. That we have farms that are certified, and the foods that are coming from those farms can be traced to those farms. That will help us in terms of marketing, and also we are working towards the certificate of origination. Certificate of origination from CEREB also gives you capability to trade within the region without so much barriers.
Change is as good as what your neighbors are doing. We thought it will create economic sense as a block. If we can move as a team of 10 counties and make agroecology our center of focus in terms of food security for the region. So we've been meeting with the CECs, the County Executive Committee members of the 10 counties. We are trying to embrace upon them that they need to embrace agroecology so that we move at the same pace. The transformation we are doing is supposed to ensure that our people are eating healthy, and not only healthy, but we are sure of producing tomorrow because we are conserving our own natural resources that we use for production.
This time we are campaigning on farmers growing or bringing up their crops organically, because when we are using what we call synthetic fertilizers ama zile tunaita fertilizer ambazo ziko na chemicals, hiyo inatumika na inaleta madhara mengi sana katika miili ya watu.